Okay? He said this will be for the Lord's renown, Isaiah 53:13, for an everlasting sign that will not be destroyed. He's giving the reader a clue. This will be a sign for you. Hebrew is pronounced ot. From right to left is how it reads, aleph, wa, tav. In the oldest Paleo-Hebrew, which the Bible was written in, the Old Testament, there's the shape of the tav. It's a cross. Aleph meant God himself. All of the Hebrew letters of the Paleo, each letter had a meaning to it. That's why God calls himself by letters. I'm the first and the last letter. I'm the Aleph and the Tav. Jesus in Revelation says, I'm the Alpha and the Omega. That's Greek, the first and the last letter. Why? Because the Aleph is the first, the strongest, the one that starts everything off. That represents God. The Tav is the last, but that's the last thing he's going to do before he returns. He's going to go to the cross. And that letter means covenant, but it's in the shape of a cross. And when that was put in the Old Testament, there was no crucifixion cross. And not only is it in the shape of a cross, but it's leaning over like it's underweight. So now in Isaiah 55, right after Isaiah 53 paints this detailed picture, Isaiah 54 goes on to talk about the return of Israel and bringing them back. Then Isaiah 55 goes on to basically preach the gospel message, come and drink from the living water, come to me. And then it ends with these words, he's coming soon, but here is the sign. This will be for the Lord's renown, for an everlasting, how long is everlasting? Forever and ever, an eternal sign that will not be destroyed. Now this is important. Turn the page. All right. From Haaretz, Israel's oldest newspaper, it's written on August the 4th, 2013. Haaretz, the names of the Hebrew letters have meanings in the Hebrew language. That doesn't actually matter when writing or reading, but it's nice to know. But now watch. There is the word sign. In Hebrew, it reads, this will be a sign everlasting. Out olam, everlasting sign, the sign that is everlasting. Here's the meaning of the letters. Your shepherd, the Almighty One, who will bear the nails on a cross to make the covenant with you. This is your everlasting sign. It is for the Lord's renown. It will never disappear. It's been there for 2,800 years and is still there. And there are people coming to the Lord because of it. Most of the world doesn't see it. But do you see it?